This is a sample of the Big Shoulders Fund Tax Credit Scholarship application. The live application can be found at www.bigshouldersfundsgo.org on January 12th at 8 a.m. You may submit one application per household. Please review the income guidelines chart before continuing forward. In order to reserve your date timestamp, you will need to enter the following information: your email address, again your email address, the number of people in your household, your household income, the street in which you reside, the city in which you reside, the state of Illinois, your zip code, and finally select the county in which you reside. Please review all the information and click Submit. You have now successfully obtained your application date timestamp. In order to save your date timestamp, you must continue on and complete all required fields of the application. Failure to complete all of the requirements of Step 1 of the application will result in a loss of your date timestamp. The information that you provided meets the minimum requirements to continue with Step 1 of the Big Shoulders Fund Tax Credit Scholarship application. Since your date timestamp is obtained, you may take your time with the remainder of the application, but you must complete it all at one time. Click Next to continue on with the application. You have now successfully saved your date timestamp, but you are not done with the entire application. You will now put in your household information, starting with parent or guardian's first name, last name, and phone number, followed by your email address. You then have the option to provide a secondary parent or guardian's information, although it is optional. You will then provide your home address, the city in which you reside. You will select the state of Illinois, as only Illinois residents are eligible to participate in this program, your postal code. You will then select the county in which you reside and select the public school district in which you reside. Note that if you live in the city of Chicago, your selection is City of Chicago CSD 299, which is the first option. You will now select the number of individuals in your household, which is defined as the number of people living together in a room or group of rooms of a housing unit. This may include grandparents or other individuals living with you, including college students who may not live with you full-time, but you financially support them. Most often, the household number should equal the number of people listed on your tax return. If your household size does not match your tax return, you must explain in the comment section on the last page. Using numbers only, not including dollar signs, commas, or decimals, you will now put down your family's 2019 or 2020 annual adjusted gross income amount from your tax returns. You must include the income of anyone you are claiming in your household who is 18 years or older. If you filed a 1040 or 1040 SR, the AGI is on line 8B. Please include the exact AGI as listed on your tax return and do not round. Please indicate in the comments section at the end of the application for any exceptions or changes in your income. Providing your 2019 income is recommended, but if your 2020 income bracket goes down, please enter your 2020 income and include an explanation in the comment section at the end of the application explaining why your 2020 income is lower. To review the income chart, please click the link below. You will now select the number of children you are applying for. Please remember that you are completing one application for an entire family and should choose the total number of children you are applying for in this moment and apply for all in one application. Once you have reviewed your information on this page, please click Next. Starting with your first child, you will enter their first name, last name, birth month, day, and year. You will then select yes or no to the following questions. Did the student receive a tax credit scholarship in the 2020-2021 school year? Did the student's sibling receive a tax credit scholarship for the 2020-2021 school year? Select the gender of the child, the race, ethnicity of the child, the current grade for the 2020-21 school year, and next year's grade for the 2021-2022 school year. Select the county in which the school you are applying for is located. Select the name of the school that you are applying for. Select yes or no. Are you currently a parishioner at the church affiliated with the named school above? Is the child currently enrolled at the named school above? Please read the following questions carefully as they require documentation for proof upon selecting yes for these answers. Has this student qualified for services under the Federal Individuals with Disabilities Education Act? Eligibility requirements are below. Please select yes or no. Has the student been identified as an English learner as defined by the state of Illinois? Please see the description below for more information. Select yes or no. Has the student been identified as gifted and talented as defined by the state of Illinois? See the description below. Select yes or no. Is the student a foster child? Select yes or no. You will now complete the child information for however many children you are applying for. Please remember that one application is for your entire family. If all of your children are not listed in the one application, at the bottom of the screen, you will hit the previous page button to change the number of children you are applying for to ensure that all of your children are accounted for within one family application. Once you have applied for all of your children, click Next. On the final page of the application, you will find the comment section. Please include any relevant comments. Any comments relating to your household income, household size, or address changes that would not match supporting documentation that is later turned in, please provide commentary here. Finally, you will read through the certification and authorization section to ensure that your application is true to the best of your ability. Once you have read through the certifications and authorizations, you will enter your first and last name and hit Submit. You have now completed Step 1 of the Big Shoulder Fund Tax Credit Scholarship application. You will receive your email with a confirmation of your timestamp. Please note that the timestamp is listed in military time.